Get off, stopping still.
We have active puppies rolling around, wobbling everywhere.
Pretty much walking.
Walking and everything. Playing, wrestling.
We have two sleepy puppies too.
Looks like we're going to have to get rid of the whelping box and set up the rest of the space today because they're on the move.
Yep.
We're getting rid of it.
Well,
Not really, but we just cut it.
they'll have a place to sleep that's separate.
Yeah, probably be in the basket. Well,
They gotta be able to
Look
climb.
at Una trying to
Look at
pounce on
Jewel
everybody.
trying to climb out of the box already. She's like, I don't want to be in here anymore with these wrestling boys. And Lucky's like, take me too. These boys are crazy.
Teresa like, I'm done. And Oreo's trying to eat them.
Boys, what are you doing?
they're piling up on top of each other.
What are you guys doing, huh?